In this video, I will show you how to make red bean and beef soup. For 4 servings, you will need half teaspoon vegetable oil spray, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 6 ounces lean beef or pork, slice them thin, and marinate them with some salt to make it flavorful. 1 can cooked red kidney beans, drain, 4 cups water, 1 whole carrot, slice, 1 medium potato, cut in half-inch cubes, half teaspoon ground nutmeg, 2 tablespoons beef broth powder, and salt and pepper to taste. And to garnish, you will need 2 tablespoons of chopped green onions and 2 tablespoons of chopped celery leaves. First of all, heat vegetable oil in the pot. Add garlic and stir fry for about 30 seconds in high heat. Then add the beef and continue to stir fry for about a minute. Then add water, potato, carrot, and the kidney beans. And then you want to add the spices. So the nutmeg and also the beef broth powder, salt and pepper, and just cook them until the vegetables become tender in medium or medium-high heat for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, you want to try the vegetables and see if it is tender enough. And if it is, then it is ready. And you can garnish the soup with green onions and celery leaves and serve. This will yield 4 bowls or 4 servings. It is very filling and it contains only 194 calories and 7 grams of fat. Not bad for a delicious filling soup.